Hello everyone. This time I'll take up another shortcut on maxima on minima. That is a rectangular thin sheet is given to you of certain dimensions, length and breadth of a rectangle is given to you. Okay, and from each corner we cut a square piece. Okay, and folding up the flaps to form a box without top, and you want to find the maximum volume of the box, and this is possible when the side of the square to be cut off is a plus b minus root of a square plus b square minus ab divided by 6. X is the length of the side of the square to be cut off from each corner of the rectangular tin sheet. Hope you've seen this question in the NCERT textbook. Okay, I'm using a shortcut and getting the answer. First, I'll give the proof of this problem in general by taking the dimensions of the rectangle as A and B. Let the length of the rectangle be A and the breadth of the rectangle be B. A and B are the dimensions of the rectangle, and X be the side of the square to be cut off from each corner of the rectangle, and folding up the flaps. You can do a model also. Many students will do the model for this kind of question. There was a square piece of tin earlier. Now the question is rectangular tin sheet is given to you. I'll give the proof of this. Okay, then I should take up a problem based on this. Okay, rectangular tin sheet is there. Rectangular tin sheet of dimensions A and B. There is a rectangular tin sheet of dimensions A and B. A is the length and B is the breadth. What we do, from each corner of the square we cut a square piece. Okay, from each corner we cut a square piece. And what we do, we fold up the flaps. This part is folded up. This much is folded up so that it forms the height of the box. This much part is folded up. This much is folded up. It forms the height of the box. Okay, the box looks like this. Box looks like this. So if A is the length, no, A is the length and B is the breadth. Okay, I can just change the shape. Okay, now just reverse like this. This is A. It will become, by cutting a square piece from each corner, X be the side of the square to be cut off. So resultant length will be A minus 2x here. A minus 2x. And here it was B. No, it becomes B minus 2x. B minus 2x. Height is X. Correct? A is the length of the rectangle, B is the breadth of the rectangle, and this much is cut, X and X, 2x is cut, so this becomes A minus 2x, A minus 2x, and this is B minus 2x, B minus 2x, length is A minus 2x, breadth is B minus 2x for the resultant box, and X is the height of the box, X is the height of the box. So volume of the box is length into breadth into height. A minus 2x into B minus 2x into X. Multiply this. Open this. Multiply these two brackets first. AB minus 2xB, correct? Minus 2xa minus into minus plus 4x square into B into X. Multiply this further. ABX minus 2B into X square minus 2a into x square plus 4x square into x, 4x cube. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? dv by dx. dv by dx. Derivative of abx is ab minus 2b into derivative of x square 2x. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 4x cube is 12x square. So this becomes AB minus 4bx minus 4ax plus 12x square. Again differentiate. D square v by dx square. Again differentiate this. Derivative of AB is 0. Derivative of 4bx is 4b. Derivative of 4ax is 4a. Plus derivative of 12x square is 24x. Now dv by dx equal to 0. dv by dx equal to 0. To get the critical point, Condition for maxima we know. First derivative should be 0 and the second derivative should be negative. Correct? So what we have? 12x square minus 4x is common, correct? Minus 4x into a plus b. Writing this as quadratic in x. Factorize this using the formula method. X is equal to minus coefficient of x, that is 4 times a plus b, plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, 16 into a plus b the whole square, minus 4 into coefficient of x square into constant term, 12 into ab, 4 into 12 into ab, divided by 2 into 12, correct? So what do you get? This is equal to 4 times a plus b plus or minus root of 16 into a plus b whole square, that is expand a square plus b square plus 2ab, minus here you get 4 into 12, 48ab, divided by 24, like this we get. Simplified 16a square plus 16b square. I can take 16 common otherwise. 16 1s are 16 3s are. 16 comes out. Root 16 is 4. 4 comes out, correct? So value of x will be here. Value of x is 4 times a plus b plus or minus 16. Root 16 is 4. What remains inside the root is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Because 16 1s are 16 3s are, no? So that becomes 3ab. 2ab minus 3ab, that is minus ab. Root of a square plus b square minus ab. Root of a square plus b square minus ab, divided by 24. Correct? 4 is common. 4 I'll take common and cancel with denominator. 4 1s are, 4 6 are. So what is left is a plus b plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus ab divided by 6. There are two possible values of x. I should decide for which value of x the second derivative becomes negative. So that condition for maxima is satisfied. So second derivative is here. Correct? 24x minus 4 times a plus b. You plug in the value of x which you got, the critical point, okay, in the second derivative. For which value of x we get second derivative as negative, you see, okay. So when x equal to, suppose you take x equal to a plus b minus root of a square plus b square minus ab by 6, I'll get the second derivative as negative. I'll show here. You take the value of x as a plus b. If you take x equal to a plus b minus root of a square plus b square minus ab divided by 6. When x equal to this value, what is d square v by dx square, you find out. That is 24x. 24 times x value is a plus b minus root of a square plus b square minus ab divided by 6. Correct? 24 into x minus 4 times a plus b minus 4 times a plus b. Correct? So 6 1s are, 6 4s are. 4 times a plus b minus 4 times a plus b is going to cancel. What I am getting is minus 4 times root of a square plus b square minus ab. Showing that second derivative is negative when x is equal to a plus b minus root of a square plus b square minus ab by 6. So that volume of the box is maximum. Correct? Hence we got the answer. So other value if you take, it becomes positive and not taken that, reject the other value. In between these two taking positive sign, I will get a second derivative as positive. I won't take that. So I take the negative value in between these two terms. So that second derivative is negative. So that condition for maxima is satisfied. First derivative equal to 0 and second derivative is negative. Volume becomes maximum. Correct? 6 1s are 6 4s are cancels. 4 into a plus b cancels. Minus 4 times root of a square plus b square minus ab. That's the answer. Okay. Solution is given to you here. Volume of the box is maximum. Also the figure is given to you here. You can take a screenshot if you want. And also take up a problem here on the NCERT book. There is a question. Oh, it's not given in this, I think. I'll take up a question here, okay? Based on this. take A as 45 centimeter and B as 24 centimeter. There was a question in the NCERT book based on this. A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 24. In place of A, they given 45 centimeter and B is 24 centimeter. What is the side of the square to be cut off when the volume of the box is maximum? So we can use this formula and get the answer. X equal to A plus B, 45 plus 24 minus root of 45 square plus 24 square minus 45 into 24 divided by 6. 45 plus 24 is 69, correct? Root of 45 square is 2025, 24 square is 576, 45 into 24 is 1080, correct? Divided by 6. That's equal to 69 minus, if you add this 2025 plus 576, if you add this 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3 plus 7 10, 2 6 0 1. From that you subtract 1080. If you subtract, what you get? 160 minus 8, that is 52, and this is 1521 I get. Root of 1521 divided by 6. So we get 69 minus square root of 1521 is 39 divided by 6. So this is 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. The side of the square to be cut off is 5 centimeter for volume of the box to become maximum. Already in JEE exam also this type of same kind of question is asked. In general they ask this question, okay. So remember, the side of the square to be cut off from each corner when a rectangular tin sheet is given. If it is converted into a box without top, the volume of the box is maximum when x, the side of the square to be cut off, that is x is equal to a plus b minus root of a square plus b square minus ab divided by 6. We can get the answer within 15 to 20 seconds. Little bit of calculations are there in this if the numbers are big, like 45 square, 24 square, all those things you know, and to calculate 45 and 24, take the square root of that number and get the answer like that. You can get the answer within half a minute. You can do it. 30 seconds you can get the answer. Okay. Learn this time saving result on maxima and minima. More shortcuts we'll do in the coming days. I'll be uploading many more videos. Thank you for watching. With this we'll conclude. Thank you.